Have you ever struggled to keep your WordPress tables updated with the latest data? Have you found managing product lists or schedules manually time-consuming and prone to errors? That challenge ends here. With WP Table Manager by Joom United, integrating Google Sheets brings a powerful solution. Import your tables seamlessly and enjoy real-time synchronization that updates your site the moment you edit your spreadsheet. This connection enhances collaboration across teams and ensures your content stays accurate effortlessly. Let's explore how this approach transforms your workflow and keeps your site engaging for visitors. Let's connect your WP Table Manager to Google Sheets for seamless data management. Start by creating a table in the plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to WP Table Manager, then click Add New Table. Next, synchronize it with Google Sheets using the API. Go to your Google Sheets and hit the Share button. Then you can get the link after you publish it to web like this. Next, copy this link and go back to your Table Manager sheet. Import the link through the Import feature. Once the Table Manager done fetching your Google Sheets data, your table will be displayed here. Open your Google Sheets document and edit a value, like changing a price. Refresh your WordPress site to see the table update instantly. This will ensure data stays consistent across both platforms. This approach simplifies managing tables, letting you collaborate and update information effortlessly, keeping your site current for visitors. You can use WP Table Manager to work with web builders like Elementor to create stunning pages. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, add a new page, and click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, search for the WP Table Manager widget in the sidebar and drag it onto your page. Select your synchronized table, such as your product list, and adjust its style using Elementor's options, like changing the border or background color. Preview the page to see your table display seamlessly, pulling live data from Google Sheets with fast loading times. This integration makes your tables visually appealing and functional, perfect for showcasing data on your site. To wrap up, WP Table Manager simplifies data management with Google Sheets synchronization, offers versatile styling through Elementor, and keeps your site dynamic. Let's dive into the practical uses and benefits of synchronizing your WordPress tables with WP Table Manager using Google Sheets. Businesses can manage product inventories, updating prices or stock levels instantly across their site, while event organizers can maintain schedules with real-time changes for attendees worldwide. Educational sites might track student data, ensuring accuracy for administrators and parents. This synchronization eliminates manual updates, saves significant time, ensures data consistency, and supports team collaboration from multiple locations. Visitors enjoy current information, boosting their trust and engagement. Beyond synchronization, WP Table Manager offers powerful features. Choose from a variety of themes like minimal, uppercase elegant, or modern grid to match your site's design, adjusting colors and layouts with ease. Sort columns by clicking headers, ordering data by price, date, or name for quick insights. Add interactive filters to refine large data sets, such as filtering products by category. Export tables as CSV or PDF files for offline analysis or sharing. And apply custom CSS to create unique styles tailored to your brand. These features enhance synchronized tables, delivering dynamic, professional displays for sales tracking, community schedules, or educational records. This combination transforms your site into an efficient, user-friendly platform. And that's how easy it is to import and sync your Google Sheets with WordPress using WP Table Manager. With real-time updates, flexible styling, and seamless integration, this tool can save you hours of manual work and keep your site data fresh. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and check the description below for the download link and full documentation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.